All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So if you have a GoPro, you need to get this. Right now, you can get this for $13.99. There's a $4 check box when you go to Amazon with the link. Anyway, this is my new mount for the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I'm super excited. Crack it open. I'll go mount it up downstairs. And once again, this is from Fantashield. And it's basically a mount for your GoPro, so you can mount it up on your car when you're driving. And we'll get this all put together. I'm pretty excited about this one. Been waiting on this one. Need one of these for the car. So when I mount it up, going to car shows and things like that, you'll be able to mount it up right. Now you can do this type of head here with the swivel. It is very, very tight on here. For stabilization, so you can have the kind where you can tilt it, or you can just have this one right here that's just stable, and then you put it in the bottom. You put the screw in the bottom down here to mount it up, and it just goes in like this. So I'm going to do this one first. I might try this one first. Mount it up. You got the suction cups right here, and it's already sucking to the car or to the table. But this is how it goes. So you can you can use the swivel, and it does have a quick release. Got the quick release tab right there, but I wouldn't want to use this one because of that quick release. I'm gonna stick with this one, and I'm gonna get this tightened up and put on the car. I'm gonna put this in my GoPro bag. I got a GoPro bag downstairs. I'm gonna take both of these downstairs, and we're gonna mount it up on the car, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Let's go. All right, so we're down here. If you hear some noise, I apologize for that, but we're down here. This is how you have it. I got the GoPro mounted up, and it sticks very well. So you got these 3 suction cups right here. And then you mount your GoPro. It's my Hero 7 Black. And then wherever you want to put it, you can put it anywhere on the car. So if I want to put it over here, if I feel like, I want to get this angle right here, if I want to see cars coming from this side of the car, I mount it right here, and you just firmly press down on it, and you lock each one into place like that. And this is not going anywhere. This is on here tight. And you're probably gonna say, well, Jay, how can you monitor it? Well, you can link your Wi-Fi to the camera from your phone, and then you'll be able to monitor the angle of what you have from outside the car and inside the car. So that's it right there, man. Not gonna get into a long driving video right now, because I'm going to definitely be using this weekend. So maybe I'll give you more footage this weekend on how it actually works, if it stays on tight, the speeds that it can handle, and I'll push it to the limits for you guys. You don't have to put it right here either, man. You can put it on the side of your car. You can put it at any angle. You can put it right here. That's why it has the like rotating arms like this. So I can lock that one in place, then lock that one in place, and then lock that one in place. Well, I'm at a bad angle for this one, so let me get it right. Let me get this right for you. So I got to get on the right spot here, where here we go. So if I want to have it right here, lock that one down. It's got to be on a flat surface. I wasn't on a flat surface back there. And then lock it down right there. Now, it's definitely not going anywhere. You can kind of see how it looks. This is another shaky cam production. My apologies. But yeah, that is how you do it, folks. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.